as this is 3D view, I have to take the plan view to get the area plan. I selected the GL means ground level. Yeah. Then in the architecture tab there is an option called named area, and it's area plan. I here use rentable ground level. Here we have to select the correct level. I selected it as ground level. Yeah, this is a pop-up window. It says automatically create area boundary lines associated with all external walls. If we select this one, yeah, this external wall means here the guard wall. The area is created with the guard walls. Okay. We have to define that area. Yeah, this is the area means here the area of the land. Yeah, then the area of the land is 3676 square feet, and actually here we want to get the area of this internal part of the building. For that we can do it like this. We can change the area boundaries, and we can select walls, yeah, like this one. Yeah. Now we can define a new area. This one. Yeah. The area is already defined. Then we can tag it as, yeah, it's 979 square feet. I think now you can understand it. And if you want to get the area of this room separately, you can do it by changing area boundaries. If you want, we can draw the boundaries also. And then we have tagged the area. Sorry, before that too, we have to define the area. Yeah, it's defined. And then tagging. Yeah, it's 182 square feet, like that. I can take all the areas separately or as a whole.